friends, welcome to Research Hub. This is Saili and today we are going to see the trick for the cube of a two-digit number. So for knowing the cubes, you should know the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10 at least. So let us write them. I have written the cubes here. Okay. So now you will say that why I have divided the board in 4 parts. Now for finding the cubes of a two-digit number, we will divide it in 4 parts. Now how we will see? That first is numbers starting with 1. Number starting with 1 means the numbers 12, 13, 14 and so on. These numbers are starting with 1. The next is numbers ending with 1 means 21, 31, 41 and so on. These numbers are ending with 1. The next same numbers, that means 11, 22, 33 and so on. Because the first digit and second digit is same. So these are the same numbers. Then different numbers means 23, 32, 42. So these are the different numbers. Why? Because these two digits are not same. So we will divide it in 4 parts for finding the cubes. And these 4 methods are different from each other. So we have divided it in 4 parts. Now let us take one by one. So let's see the first method. That is numbers starting with 1. So let us take for 12. Okay. If we want to find out the cube of 12, so the first step is you write these 2 digits as it is. Means you will write 1 and 2 as it is. Next step is you will write the square of 2. That is nothing but 4. Then you will write the cube of 2. That is 8. That's why I told you to remember the cubes up to 10. So this is the first step. Next step is you will avoid the unit place numbers. Unit place number and the first number. And you will double these two numbers. That is 2. Double of 2 is 4 and double of 4 is 8. And then you will add this. So 8, 12, 1, then 7 and 1. And this is the cube of 12. Let's take for another number. That is, suppose we have to find out the cube of 15. The first step is you write these two numbers as it is. Then square of 5 is 25 and cube of 5 is 125. If you don't know, you can see the table. Okay. Then next you will avoid these two. Then double of 5 is 10 and double of 25 is 50. Now here what you will do? You will write only 5. Only one digit you will write. And carry this 12 here. This 12 you will carry in the next term. Now you will add these terms. So 7 and 8. But you will write only 7 and give 8 carry. Then you will add these two terms. So this is nothing but the cube of 15. Let us take the another method. That is the number ending with 1. So suppose we want to calculate this cube of 21. Now what we will do? What we have done here? Here we have taken the first 2 digits as it is. And then square and cube. Now here you will take same but in the opposite direction. That is, you will start from the right side. So you will write 1, 2 as it is. Then the square of 2 is 4 and cube is 8. And next the same steps. You will avoid these two. You will write the double of this and you will add these two. So this is nothing but the cube of 21. Let's take one more example. Suppose we want to calculate the cube of 41. So from right side, 1, 4 square, 16 and then 64. You will double these two. You will avoid this and then add. So 1 as it is. So 12 and 1. You will write only the right part. That is 9. And you will carry this 4 here. And you will write 68 whole number. And this is the cube of 41. Let's take the third method. That is for same numbers. Suppose the cube of 11 we have to find. So here in these two steps we have what we have taken. We write the two digits as it is, then square and then cube. And same is opposite for the ending with 1. Now here what we have to do, you have to write the cube of 1 4 times. Means cube of 1 is nothing but 1. So you will write 1 4 times. Then same. Avoid these two and double of 1. That is 2. And you will add. So what you get? 1. 2 plus 1. 3. 3. 1. This is the cube of 11. Also we will take one more example so that it will be more clear to you. For cube of 44. What we will do? We will write the cube 4 times of number 4. Cube of 4 is 64. You will write 64 4 times. Then next step, you know what? You will double of 64 is 128. So you will write this 4 as it is. Then add 6 here. So 128 and 64 plus 6 is 70. So you will add this 7 and 1. So you will write only 8 and 19 will be carried here. So you will add now this 128, 6, 4 and 1, 9. So you will add what you get. So you will get 2, 1, 1. So you will write only 1 and 21 will be carried. So 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8, 5, 1, 8, 4 is the cube of 44. Let us take the last method. That is for the different numbers. For finding the cube of 23. Two things you should know, that the cubes of 2 and 3. So cube of 2 is 8. You will write the first term as the cube of first term. And the cube of 3 as 27. So you will write it last. And in the middle, what you will do? You will have to square this term and into this term. Means square of first term multiply by the next term. That is 2 into 2 is 4 into 3 is 12. You will write the second term as this. And then the square of second term into first term. 3 square is 9 into 2 is 18. So you will write 18 here. Then same steps. What? You will avoid these two. You will double this. Double of 12 is 24. Double of 8 is 36. And then you will add. So how you will add? You will write 7 as it is. Then 2 carry. So if you can't get the addition easily, write it here. What? 18, 36, 2, 10, 6, 1, 4 and 5. So 6 here and 5 again carry. Again you have to add 24 plus 12 plus 5. Then 11, 1 and 4. So 1 you will write and 4 will be carried. 8 plus 4 is 12. And this is nothing but the cube of 23. Now for 42, how you will solve and what answer you get, let me know. I am giving you as a homework. You say that for 42, cube of 42, you have to solve by this method and let me know what answer you are getting for the cube of 42. So let us revise from the first. What we have done for starting with 1, we have written the first two digits as it is. Then we have done the square and then cube. Then double of these two terms and you get the answer. In the next step, next method, what we have done? We have written in opposite order. That first two, then square, then cube. And then double of the middle terms and then add it. For the same numbers, what we have done? We have taken the cube of the number 4 times and we have written it 4 times. And then again we have double the middle terms and add it. For the last, that is different numbers. And also method is also somewhat different. That what? We have taken the cubes of numbers and written on the first and the last place. And in the middle, what we have done? We have taken the square of first number into next number. And then third term, we have taken the square of second number into first number and added. And we get the cubes of the numbers. I hope you got it. And if you like all these methods, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also join us on our Telegram group. Link is given in the description box. Thank you.